Hi, it's Michelle from Absolute Skin in San Diego, and it's Fashion Friday. And I was going to give you an idea today about layering your clothes, especially, well, in San Diego, it's a great idea to layer because the weather changes. It feels warmer during the day, and then it gets very cold or cold in the morning. So got this great little fur piece. Isn't it cute? Amazon. All right, so if you want to be cozy, you can just pop a fur collar around anything, and that makes life really easy. This one actually came with little cuffs too, and came in a bunch of different colors. So I thought it was very cute. But today, right now, I just have layered many things on, which I would consider this little jumper dress more of a summer dress. However, I threw my little kimono over it because I was getting extra chilly right now. But what I did underneath, just give you a preview here. Normally I would just wear a t-shirt under this, but I also have a bunch of these mesh t-shirts and long sleeves, but it just gives you a little extra layer. So you could also wear a long sleeve shirt under it. You could also put a sweater over it and wear it like a dress. I mean, it is a dress, but you could, then it would look like a skirt and a dress. But just an idea how you can layer up your clothes instead of changing, like you don't have to just consider this a summer dress. This could be a wintry dress too. So just an idea. A lot of times I'll layer a mesh t-shirt under a t-shirt, maybe put a long sleeve t-shirt, maybe put a sweater. Then I have lots of jackets like kimonos. So I have that lovely green one that I just had on, the little furry wrap. And it's not only fashion today. Sorry, I have to plug my favorite products. So I just got back in brand new in stock from Absolute Miracle, my line, skin brightening pads. So these are little pads that are used to help with pigmentation, getting rid of pigmentation. They're in here, and I actually mix them up fresh for you. Put the solutions in them, and there's 60 pads in here, and then you're going to use them consistently for at least every day or every other day for 3 to 4 months at the most. They really don't last much longer beyond that. So, but it will help with brightening, and wintertime is the perfect time to brighten our skin up and get rid of any brown spots left over from summer or any pigmentation. And I have back in stock the Calming Serum and the new packaging of the peptide serum. So I'm really happy. It's now in a pump bottle. So it's much easier to use in a pump bottle. So those are the new Absolute Miracle products that came in this week. And I just have to show you this beautiful collection that came from Beauty Moon Cosmetics in the mail this week. And it's what I have on my eyes right now. And this is their wintry icy palette. So I have kind of the purples and the pinks and those colors on today, and the blues. And they have these great little glitters that are amazing. I popped a little bit of this pinkish one. I mean, these are so pretty. Getting in close, you can see there's a greeny one. I actually have 6 of those. That came with the collection, and this is a lip oil with a little glitter in it. It's black. It doesn't really read black. I have it on top of my lipstick right now, and they have these great little body glitters that are in a little paddle, so you can put them around. You can put them anywhere on your face, anywhere for holidays. It's just kind of a fun collection. It's called the Ice Maiden collection, and I just think it's beautiful. So I just thought I'd show you that. But for winter, layer up your clothes, add on some layers, and that makes life easier. You don't have to buy a whole new wardrobe. You can just layer things up that are in your closet. So I hope you have a great day, and happy Friday.